Welcome back to my channel Home Lifestyle and Decor. This is Seema and today I will show you how to make this glass painting of Lord Krishna. You can make it for this Janmashtami. Ideal for gift or just perfect for wall decor. I'll be using this large glass piece of 24 by 18 inches. So taking printout in A4 size paper will not help. So I have drawn the rough sketch on a large white sheet. We'll start with the sky blue pearl 3D acrylic color for the face. We'll use black glass outliner for the eyes. For the feather, I will fix this big stone using fabric glue. Need to use gold outliner and green 3D glitter outliner to complete the feather. To color Lord Krishna's face, I will prepare light blue color by mixing 3/4 white glass paint with 1/4 of sea blue. For the turban, I will use sea blue and ultramarine blue glass paints. For the float, I will fix 3 lines of small beads using fabric glue and use bronze 3D acrylic color. You can buy it from Amazon. I will share the link in the description. For the baby pink lips, I have mixed few drops of tomato red glass paint with white. Now need to add few more feathers to complete the painting. A simple home made with golden glass outliner. To frame this painting, I will use light blue shaded fabric for the background. We'll fix it on the board tightly using fabric glue. And this stunning wall decor is ready to add glamour to my room.